your ancient camp.
Sino malalaglag?
Ano, naglalaban yung BP versus OG. Pag 0-2 yung OG dito, mag-tiebreaker yata sila ng BP.
Eh, paano pag naka 2-0 yung BP?
Ayun nga, ganun nga. Kailangan ma-2-0 din ng BP.
Okay. So pag 1-1 lang yung BP, laglag sila?
Laglag, yes.
May laglagan pala agad dito, no?
Oh, there was still one left. Okay, never mind. Natsumi's fine.
But, yung isa ba't nahinga yung level up ba yun?
Good start for the top
Nahinga.
lane.
Laglag
Maybe
na
it was
yata yung
unfortunate they
shotgun.
weren't able to
Ano
block that triangle. Which
Level up games.
Oh,
Labang
panalo
a
yun.
little bit of jungling.
33 ginagawan talaga
Doesn't
ng
like the way
paraan.
that lane looks. Let me
Yung
get
level 1 jungle, no? Pag si Force yan, to
Pag si
level
Force
2.
binabash niya.
Oh, well, I guess
Kaya nga,
Tama
pag si,
naman
ni,
yun.
pag si
Gawa pa rin
33.
yun eh.
Honestly, it's the support. I
Okay,
think you're like,
Starter yun, kaya naman dun eh.
I don't mind.
I mean, this is,
Starter pala yun.
this is one of those things that makes Bane really
Bumili ng
strong.
gloves,
You
putang
cannot
ina
drag
to.
the wave against him. The only exception are heroes.
Nagsusugal yan tol pagka ganyan. Di nakakausap na matino.
Magulo yun, may sariling
Bakal
gawin.
gasin na yun yan.
Delikado yung game to, tol.
You can't drag waves.
One wing.
Mid pretty even so far, though.
Yeah.
Kind of expected. I think
One game.
they'll all keep
Uy.
a distance from each other, and it won't be
Gab.
easy to do much more than
May
casual.
parlay ka ng World Cup.
Oh,
Penga.
Meron.
well, good attempt
Oh,
there,
really
Ari.
long.
BTTS,
Tatlo na lang
Spain.
to.
Spain muna. Spain tapos BTTS.
He's trying his
Tas
best.
siya.
Norway.
You know, doing
Tandaan mo
his
na
best
lang,
here to
tandaan mo
try
na
and
lang.
get that lane
Tatlo na
equal
lang.
BTTS.
so that 33 can come back to the lane. But
Si Gabi
Natsumi
ko.
just perfectly
Baka na.
happy.
Sa chat ko.
Farming up the denies. 12
Okay.
and 8 already on the Drow Ranger. I like the double fairy fire, tangos, and the full wand. He is prepared to
Sana na.
buy his sustain if needed. Does not want to give it up.
Ko bugbog to gab eh.
I don't think he's gonna need to buy
Alin ba?
very much, though.
Yung top?
Top na. Oh.
Wala ganyan lang yung parang mabubugbog. Wala nga sila kali.
Spot.
Ang inom.
Darkseer just...
Level 3 lelay na yan. Balo.
This is a much
Easy
tougher
lane.
start than I think they were
Easy lane
expecting.
yan. Di ba Nick? Level 3 easy lane na to.
Wala pa
They
siya
can just keep
nakukuha ang
denying
creeps
his creeps.
eh.
It is going to be rough.
Eh,
They just need to get a pull
Sila
now,
po,
right?
di
And I think that's
marunong mag-lane, no?
exactly what Scam is doing. Grabbing the hard cam, bringing it over to the wave.
Hindi makausap ko.
And you're going to deny probably a full...
Ano ba yung slot nilalaro mo ngayon? Baka
Hindi makausap yan. Tangina, partida
Hindi
padley pa yan.
makausap ang bot.
Elsewhere, bottom or mid.
Patay si Jopoy na naman.
Ayun na, gago
Hindi
ka.
naman.
Totoo ba?
Very good stuff there from BZM.
Tol.
I thought that was a
Kasi
dart
laging
here,
snapper
Robert.
katapat
What
ni
is that
Jopoy, kaya
doing?
nahihirapan din yata siya
A
eh.
little too early for that. Yeah.
Tangin na,
Darkseer's,
yung bawi na si
he ain't gonna be
33.
walling
Ganyan
in
lang.
the
Lord.
33 o jungle.
Ayun, no?
But
Oo,
I
jungle.
do think it's
Ang lima na din
interesting
kasi
to
siya,
see
no?
when a hero or when a player decides I can get more
Hindi siya
gold
tinut-
from
Hindi rin
the
naman siya
jungle,
tinutulungan
right?
daw.
And 33 is going to be one of the best at identifying this.
Correct
Even if
turn.
they pick
Ganyan pala build, no?
Darkseer
Per second,
before
tas
the
panghaharas
Diana
mo.
Sins, in a little bit of trouble.
Ang lakas pala ng
Okay here.
Desolate, no?
Even though they
Puta.
pick it after, and I'm sure it's for the later game counter, it's interesting to see how quickly he identifies, you know what, this level 1 stuff, it ain't for me. Let me go to the jungle, I can get more gold there. I know it sounds silly, but it's like, genuinely, this is a,
Kaya nga
you
muna.
know, pub players can definitely relate to this, right? Like, you try to play a lane you're not supposed to, and you just end up feeding more. He realizes, I should just go to the jungle. Like, literally, level 1 jungle is better for me.
Parang mahirap mag-draw dito. Los, di ba?
Maybe it is a mistake, but
Mahirap
that's the take.
mag-go. Sakto lang yata, go.
Ari, nice one, Jopage.
Spectre ng
Nice one.
kalaban niya.
Yopaj.
Yung Darkseer din ba mahirap?
Good rotations in from the support. You know, he.
Oji ka dito, Kyle?
Yeah, I
Team
can go
Hindi.
wherever I
Puso
go.
Pilipino lang.
Jessica.
Darkseer definitely.
Malabo yan, kahit sobrang Yamado na OG, dito may na OG ang gagong yan.
Hindi ka tal.
Already infinitely better lane stage than what we saw in game number 1.
For sure.
Things are going so much better. This Drow, is gonna be so farmed. I'm curious what the build will be for Raven, right? We already have
No,
we've seen a
dami.
couple different builds for Doom.
Stocks,
Earlier,
yes.
Bach went for like an early
Ay,
radiance.
titignan na
into the
schedule.
blade.
Ba't
Every
napupush tong
once
wave
in a
nila?
while, A Midas queued up. We see Sajin Yasha and Blink Daggers, right? This hero's very versatile.
Yung
ano pa
din,
how
no,
you
tulog,
wanna
no?
build it.
Tangin ng 33 to.
So I'm curious to see what he comes up with.
Nakadalawang
Weirdo,
service.
eh.
Is this our first game of the Spectre? Because I know it's obviously been picked. It's been banned several times on our stream, but I don't think we've had a chance to actually cast it ourselves.
Hindi marunong
I
din
believe
si
that is
Pure.
correct.
Kaya nga, tanda-tanda mo na, pag di-deny, di pa rin marunong.
Gonna be
Buti pa si ML, walang deny.
uphill battle since this drown's
Yan,
really
dinadamay mo
far.
na naman si ML.
Yan na naman, ha?
Oh, palong
He's
buta.
got the
He has 2
damage.
points Brad said. I
Uy!
think he has damage.
Bakit
Hello?
ba?
Ay,
Oh, he's got
Skimberloy? Salvation.
Oh,
Okay lang.
Yun
Okay
lang.
lang.
Yun
Okay
yung mga
lang.
nakakalungkot.
No big deal.
Oh, good trade na yun.
Does he have a ward? He
Or
does.
pa.
Hindi mo babalak yan, Dre?
Oh, man.
Lo, dito
Yata
nang
pa.
pakukan.
Very, very
Bobo.
rough stuff here.
Kung
Bobo
ino
si
Ano
Andre,
to?
walang
Wala.
utok.
Wala, wa.
Shrine in a minute.
Walang utok si Andre, tol.
Ruby ko, tol.
Bane's already in position.
Basta sa'yo,
Rotate
Lods.
the Snapfire.
Ano yung pas na sa'yo? Lods, putang ina.
Kaya kay Skem, tsaka kay Nico.
Skippers.
Ano nangyari?
Can even be a consideration,
Basta
but
Pas na
not
sa
Hey.
Idol Lords.
Mid lane.
Nag-comment si ano, si
Whitemon gonna get some
Force.
damage out onto the Ruby.
Na ano.
But here
Ay,
comes some TPs.
excited
that
ako.
are
Nag-post si
running
Nico
guys,
kaya
and
nag-post.
they
Sino
ba
might
tayo?
turn their
Sino ba
attention
target
to
natin?
Sapphire.
Kita na
Dati
lang.
pa.
Settle for Whitemon.
Oh,
Basta sumagot
2024.
yan.
Actually puts a point in the Pulse Nova here.
2026
to secure it,
sumagot.
so
Basta
they'll
sa
get themselves
Ilos.
a nice kill.
Basta sa Idol.
Bago ka, OG Gab, kumakanagab.
Wala, malabo.
it didn't mean Skem had to leave.
Malabo.
Sobrang
Baka
hirap.
baka.
Wala, sobrang spike game legit.
But I think you're okay with that.
Ayun,
Get
patay
kill.
si Raven.
Oh,
Ayun
na.
immediate Mortimer
Ayun,
kisses
tinan mo,
in
Rad.
the bottom lane.
Ba't di
Raven,
natama?
He's going down.
Ay. Tang ina, lamig na yun.
From
no?
the lack of
Pero
setup, but that
magtabay tayo.
also these heroes are a little
Ah,
bit
no?
slow.
Game.
to see the right
Game.
there.
Tayo na
Tangin-
nag-grade.
A little bit
Tang ina ni
slow.
Kyle, di na
And
mapirmi sa
actually
bahay.
running away from isolated. This is
Kaya
very
taman pa
easy
mag-drive
for
yan,
you to
tala.
do. You gotta be very
Nakaka-enjoy
careful
pala
about
pag
that
may
rotation.
ano, parang video game
Uy!
ka.
33. Ooh,
Hello!
No,
Connection
no.
niya, connection.
Ang bobo!
Boy, boy.
He's got the Legion shield.
The fuck?
Grabe kayo.
Yung konti.
Grabe execution, tol.
Tagal nyo na magkasama, magkapit bahay pa kayo, ganyan kayo.
You don't have a point Gusto, so no way to
Hello, Trida.
prevent that surge away.
Uy!
He would have
Obama,
a
thank you sa
way to
5 subs.
the entire lane by
Uy,
himself.
ba't kanya
Obama.
pangalan mo?
Tama.
think he was ever gonna see
Sino
the
to?
Darkseer to use the silence.
Ayan.
Oh,
Uy,
man.
Obama,
naman
sino
yan?
ka?
He has to be able to farm
Di
this
may
AG
pangalan
stack.
nyo.
Ooh, Natsumi getting clipped on that Illuminate.
Ba't ka na mamax yun? Sino kaway mo ya?
Oh,
Baka si
there's
ano yun,
another
ah,
Go
Spider
Pass coming
Miles,
through.
ah.
I love this rotation because now
Hindi,
Hindi mo
sa
siguro, no?
Spider-Verse yun, sa Spider-Verse.
Thank you, thank you.
Try and contest it. It's a
Sir
lot
Ben,
of
okay,
hits.
thank you.
Umulan dyan sa Mulan. Oh, tol, umulan.
Ako po.
It fades
Thank
at the
you,
perfect time.
Obama.
I was gonna say Leshrac can't really steal ancient stacks
He
that
got an
easily.
arcane rune.
But if
He
you
can
see
now.
if you see that the Ion Shell has already done half the work for you, I don't think you stay for the big creep, but you just take all these
Hey,
little
he's
ones that are
Kimberly.
low and then you just leave.
Bam.
Yeah, he's doing exactly that.
Patay.
Yeah.
Scam might
Patay
pay
ba?
the price for
14
it.
legs
He
sa
can
full
deny
surop.
himself.
Uy.
Her brain
Pasa mo nga
fog.
dito, tol. Patingin lang ako.
He's bleeding out.
Okay lang.
He's definitely dead. He's gonna try. Gets feet.
Ay!
All right, Whitemon, nicely
Okay.
done. So,
Pero maglugaw, Sep. Lugaw tayo na, Sep.
with everything that's going
Go to
on,
10 doon.
we talked
Ay, nakagabi
earlier
pa yung
about
lugaw
how
niyo, ah.
BW's
Yeah.
probably
Ay, wait
the
ko pa,
best
eh.
team in the world of being like, we are
Go to
so
10 doon,
countered,
Kasi lumabas pag umulan.
but we don't really
Ay,
fall
BLGD
behind
game
in
to.
gold, and it comes down
Tol,
to
sabayan
this
nyo na lang
battle
parlay ni
of,
Gabi,
Ari,
mainit
you're
ngayon.
just gonna sit in lane. You're the
Mhm.
real off-lane hero.
Wala na
Tama.
sa hero-hero yan.
Alos, lugaw din tayo, Los.
Skill lip, skill lip.
Despite everything,
Ano,
he's
Kyle?
really
Kanina
not
pa
that
ako,
far
Kyle.
behind.
Mamamatay na
He's
ako.
just AFK
Malapit na
jungle,
mamatay, Kyle.
using Ion
Ako
Shell.
agad.
One of the reasons
Parang
that
biro.
is so popular right now.
Grabe.
Bakit ang biro mo, Los?
Grabe lugaw niyo, kuwari.
Kumato ka sa noo mo
If
pag
it
Ay.
hadn't been for
Oo.
Taka na galing
Wala
pa.
ex eh.
Galing pa sa kanya eh, no? Putang ina to.
Ba, ay Kyle, bakit Kyle? Ang lugaw, puto, tangin ng lugaw yan.
Nice D-word.
Putang ina,
Pili.
pag kumta ko ng ex eh, sabi may 5v5 daw.
That's a lot of damage.
Lima babae ang
Enough to
puta.
get killed though.
Hindi ako, Kyle, hindi ako.
Thank you, Obama.
A new ringmaster set is
Tangin,
Super ka
Skokoy
talaga eh.
kinilig eh.
Tamaya.
Skokoy kinilig, tol.
At
Go,
ka na,
go,
Nick.
Tilted.
Bobo ka,
Nick,
talo
Panalo ka,
ka.
Nick, or down?
In combination with
Patay.
Sure.
Patay.
Patay ka.
Atay
In
ka.
the meantime,
Gogo Rick, talis yun ah.
Down nga
Ano
yun.
kaya talo nun?
Ion Shell.
Okay.
Okay, talaga kayo. Tangin na si Joseph to.
Ba't ako?
Kaya
Kaya
sabi
sa
drop tol.
yan.
with an illusion.
Wala nga ako, gago. Ikaw talaga.
Combo works out much
Nantok
better.
lang yun.
They're gonna actually go ahead and pop the haunt, try and chase
Nagpapantli
down
lang daw siya.
Scam. There's the wall. And Bane.
Hindi nagkasya
Being
pa
one
ng
that
boses.
dies, they give the kill on over to 33.
I have a feeling Pure was not
Big game
trying
nga,
to
no?
give that kill over.
Ganda.
Yeah, most likely.
Kaya nga, tatayan ako ng World Cup.
Do so. That will be Spectre getting 2 earned charges. That'll be the wall
Oh,
getting
what
in.
a
After
smoke.
Yopaj gets
Ang hindi
some
maganda to,
revenge.
nasmokan sila patalikod
There
niya.
is a ward sentry in the lane, so they might scout this a
Spain,
little bit
Belgium.
May
early.
break ba niya, no?
To
Di
smoke
atin.
Na-break,
both.
na-break,
So
na-break,
Yopaj
na-break.
just
Spain ako
is
dito,
the
minus
best.
1 point.
Patay ka na, okay na.
Ano, atrasan na.
He's dead.
Ay, di
More
ka gumagala ba?
cases are coming
Maglalaba.
through.
Si Jopay, si Jopay.
Ay,
Tied to them.
Yopage.
Very worthwhile
Yopaj.
trade. Tim.
Dami-dami na, Bol.
Ano odds ng Spain minus 1.5?
No way out. Pure
2.6.
gonna
Hawakan.
catch.
Ha?
The Fiend's
Bakit?
player
Bakit?
is gonna go
Bakit?
ahead and be a really
Uy,
good
bakit?
combo, bringing him down.
Crazy time.
And Scam will
Time.
join him. Just one kill after the other. I mean, favoring 1W at the end of the day. Like, Natsumi, yeah, he's getting a lot of kills here, but you guys were supposed to be pretty far ahead. Who did Doom kill bottom? What is going on here? Kill Ari?
Wait lang guys ha.
I think so.
Gising mo lang, Kyle?
He's
Oh.
still
Mag-Spain
pretty
ako,
on the
minus
track. He
1.5
mostly
eh.
happy
Ay,
with that.
patay.
Ooh, cookie
Idudum si
stolen
BCM.
from Tims.
Wala, walang dum.
Lost,
Wala,
lost.
wala.
Thinking
Minus
it's
1.5
easy.
yan.
They're going to, but this
Utang ina,
might
di,
be
boy,
too
boy, boy.
far.
Ay,
late na odds ng ano eh.
Now coming through.
Gago, mga
1.5
boys
pa,
lang.
boy pa.
Mga boy pa
Ay
sa
nga.
score yun.
Mga boy-boy ka pa.
Ay, di, boy,
Spain?
patay nila sa tatlo. Pwede naman yun, di ba?
Patay na sa tatlo.
Pwede na tatlo.
Ang late na odds 1.6 lang Gab.
Naku po,
Pwede na to.
nakikitan, Bol.
Pwede na.
Ano yan?
Parlay mo kasi.
Wala.
Eh na, Yopage. Jepoy.
Gaming, gago, Yopage Gaming.
Ay, hindi tumama, Jepoy.
Sino ba lamang?
Sabay ka na to sa Parleilos.
Ilan ba odds Jet ngayon?
Ito mga si Natsumi! Natira ni Natsumi! Putang ina talaga!
Tayo tayo.
Cushion. Okay, Drow is still ready. Let's take stock. Things have been
Okay lang yan,
going
okay lang yan,
rough here. 7 to 8, 12 and a half minutes in.
It was super quiet initially, and then suddenly, not so much.
Go time. Dark Seer for the level 1 jungle. The tier 1 tower is dead first, and 4K is not... It's not the worst, especially when you take into
Yandex,
account
wala.
the enemy
Yandex
that already
talaga,
has
malakas
Rubin in the
dun.
lane. Like if you combine
Bailong.
it's
Eh,
sort
ba't
of
lamang
okay.
Radiant pala?
If you could kill
Utang
this
ina
jungle
mo.
once or twice,
Patay.
May
Kaya mo
nagugulong
natin,
na.
ano?
you're back on
Di
track.
mamatay, di mamatay.
Ano si Andre yung nagme-message oh?
Malabo.
Uy, tangina
Sabi ni
na.
Andre.
Nakita ata.
We just return to the issue of
Binabash
not
natin
really
siya.
the
Putang ina
greatest
niya.
initiation
Ina
with
talaga,
the
Sino mang sa
Andre.
drop?
Actually,
Pag ganito
the
yung ata yung
started
state ng
with
game, lamang na
couple
yung
of
Radiant.
these fights.
Type shit.
Dapat ano sila eh. Gold lead sila eh.
Worked when that happened, but I just keep
Totoo
looking at
yaman.
this.
Pag
right?
wala,
They triple
malabo
stack
mo
their
malamangan
jungle,
early
they
to
just
na
go back to
sobra-sobra.
farming.
Kasi yung mga gantong team.
They're
Ganyan
not
team.
Oo,
Madadaya
alam
pa
falling
na to.
behind.
Alam
They're
nito
being
paano
very efficient
makasurbay.
with their moves. Okay, overall camp stack
Dilugan,
pretty
mga
close.
puta.
But kind of what we'd expect from 1W with everything.
Sarap naman nito yo.
Where there's still
Wow.
stacks
Dami.
over here.
Ano? Butang ina.
Oh my goodness.
Paldo.
33 is going to be just as farmed as the Doom here. In no
Ang
time.
lala no, sila pa ino-openan
Don't
ng
even
tower.
bother asking how does 1W
Ba't
have
ba
some-
na-open pala?
This is their
Dahil
way
sa
to
Domi or
live
what?
to stack.
Namatay
Ulo,
sila.
pumunta lang yung snap, tas napabak na sila. With Hunt.
They knew someone's behind them.
Bus
They're
sila,
gonna
GG.
start
Ano yan?
more
Ano yan?
kisses.
GG.
Tang ina, patay si It Marlon.
GG.
Sobak soso.
The most farmed
Ayun,
hero kill
pag.
goes to Ari Tims. Does manage to have.
Ayan na, Yopage.
Yopage.
Putang ina nito mga to, grabe mo.
Nadum-
Kulang ka connection.
Patay. Wala lang mamamatay.
Patay ba?
Wala namamatay. Ala.
Wala silang connection niya.
Ba't ganun?
Unwilling to chase for
Ba't
Ako
ganun
nga,
yun?
nag-one way naman tayo dito.
Gal yun.
Kupal din kayo mag-react eh.
Oo.
Hindi, para sabihin, hindi ako haters masyado. Ang bobo niya pala, OG.
Tangina talaga ko, OG yan.
It was
Ay,
such a
kaboy.
good scan from 1W. They smoke up.
Hindi,
they skip
tatanggol
back,
ko lang
like,
si
oh, wait,
Force.
Somebody's here.
They're right on the twin gate. Look at that.
Talo
Kayo
din
ng
yun.
asar kayo.
Talo na OG, talo pa yun. Hindi na siya OG, talo pa din.
Yeah, BZM's playing an amazing game. Every
Sumasabay
single
lang, Gab.
kisses has found a very big kill. The first one, right? Doom
Ano kaya daw nun? Malungkot
immediately,
eh.
and then it's Lesh.
Oo,
Uso mo lungkot.
Nagkalis nga eh.
He's been on
Tanong mo
the
kasi
ground
magkano
this
daw niya, Sep.
Still got a lot of work to do, but it is
Pamabasa
much
ni
better
Uli ka,
than here in
Whitmon.
game number 2.
Na tavern drop dire.
So keep it going with
Yeah. Tavern drop doon.
Not a lot of movement, not a lot of tower damage.
Scamber.
Feed
Tangina,
away,
dead. May stun.
They actually go ahead
Ay.
and
Sa silence.
silence up the creep so it can't
Patay.
stun the Bane.
Patay, nice.
Patay,
They
patay,
will
patay.
get the kill.
But nice.
I mean, that's heads up from
Ay, sorry.
Natsumi.
Patay.
Si
Ba't din
sumusuporta kasi
in-stun
ako
pa lang
sa
eh? Cooldown?
Jungle.
Cooldown yun?
Sinilence.
Silence? Okay.
Parang wala kang monitor ah.
Hindi, bagal niya tol.
Needed to make quick
Ayaw
work
na, ayaw
of
na.
this bottom tower. Never mind.
Hindi, maliit lang range
Expires
yung
as the
gago.
fortification does,
Ah,
but
maliit,
they'll
maliit.
still get it. And it is going to be the Radiance build from the Doom going into the BKB after that. So Raven will have quite a bit of farm, and he's actually really close to it now. But we're pretty much dead even at this point. We're 15 minutes in, 16 minutes in. No gold advantage either way. And Ari just
Si Sandro ba yung
continuing
sa Smart
to
Omega?
stack everywhere he possibly
Yung
can.
nag-throw?
Siya
Hindi
yun.
na
Hindi,
sila
hindi,
uli.
hindi.
Hindi
No,
sila
no,
uli
no, no,
dati.
no.
Pero
Di kami,
nag-throw
di kami,
na.
di kami, di kami nag-throw, di kami nag-throw.
Versus a
Pero-
spec.
Hindi lang
Naging
sila
player
uli,
ka ba nun, bro?
siya.
You have a
Nag-throw
duo
Oo,
talaga
kami
siya.
ano, nila...
Generate
Sino ba?
Sila Tino. Sila nila Tino.
Tino.
Player lang, pero di nag-throw.
Nag-throw yan, hindi na nahuli.
Di lang nahuli.
Thank you
Di
sa
ako,
support.
di ako.
Tol, tama na yun sa mga throw na yan, tol. May ano ako dyan, may trauma ako
Ay,
dyan.
may trauma si Palos.
Upa na trauma.
Thank you, Bas Den, sa one
Grabe
sub.
si Palos talaga nagkamotor bigla
There's just
po.
not a lot she's gonna be able to do.
Talo kami, kachat
At
si
the least,
Ilaan.
she won't be able to just
Putang
stand
ina.
there.
Ano pinag-uusapan yun?
Yeah,
Oh,
very
okay.
true.
Bawal pala magsabong. Agent ko yun.
Ano yan, QPK yun ni Jerry?
Scan connects. I know someone's up.
Parang
Uy,
tolo
Kahit
ako
wala
online
yung
dito.
break.
But it
Hindi naman,
is
Kebs,
just
hindi
Tim's
naman.
playing
Wait mo lang.
very defensive.
STD
wala.
ata yung lineup na ganyan.
SGD.
Solo.
Sino si Renz?
Follow din yun. Dix, good cash out, Sip. Good cash out.
Good cash out, good cash out.
Very good.
Moving
Ang
into
ina
the
niya.
shard,
Cash out.
right? Still
Good
cooking.
cash.
Ano ba talaga gab?
Pwede ba cash out yun? 136.
Top lane, Mortimer kisses right away.
Check mo nga, check mo nga.
Up ako.
136.
All right, that's the first time where maybe we jumped the gun a little bit here. His
Hirap
team was coming
sabihin
to the
kasi.
twin gate.
Magkano mapapanalo na mo if ever?
Will not find any.
Or
See if they
then, wag
wanna
na,
still
wag na,
try
wag
and,
na.
make a play,
Laban na yan.
come back through the twin
Oh,
gate,
ba
maybe.
na to?
Laban na.
Wait,
Sapphire has a
Sinabi mo
lot of
laban.
damage even without
Oh,
her.
baka kaya, so baka
But
cash out.
she does have to get closer, so you'll need to land the Ringmaster ult, and then she walks in and
Hindi yan ni
with a
Jerry.
scatter blast.
Cash out na yan. Ah, sige, cash out na yan.
Hindi yun, hindi
Working on the main
Wala,
tab.
sure win pala sa lineup tong
Spectre a
Yandex.
little bit.
Sure win sa
Jumps
lineup.
her.
Okay.
The
Sure ball,
Radiances
sure ball.
are online.
War game.
Raven has his, Spectre
Wala, laban.
has hers.
Gab,
Ayan na.
naka-Spain jersey si Speed, patay tayo.
Spell that Tim
Otoy.
Hindi, kahapon din naman. Naka ano yan. Oh.
Sino?
Nakahap
there's a
yan
lot
eh.
of potential for
Ha?
Raven,
Kahapon eh.
especially against the
Nakahap-hap.
Sapphire.
Laban eh.
Ari
Ah,
is-
Jiri, ah.
It's so hard
Si
to
ano?
get to the keeper of the
Sila
line.
Ben, sila Ben.
Is mabagal?
Chang.
Hindi, sabihan mo na
Mabagal.
N-word.
Also just been positioning really well this game.
Putang ina mo ka ah.
He's mostly the delay hero.
Lamig,
Wherever
putang
they're
inang yan,
pushing,
lakas ng
Ari
ulan.
goes and blasts it out.
Oh,
Yan,
man,
go to
this is
10 doon.
He just walked under Ob's ward and
Sarap
they
magsiging
are
gaulo.
trying to pursue
Ayun
quick
Ayun na.
jump on in.
Patay
Patay tayo.
GG tayo, Gab.
Patay
GG tayo.
tayo.
GG tayo, Gab.
Paano mabuli niyan? Paano mabuli niyan? Ha? Paano mabuli niyan? Paano mabuli niyan?
Bilis-bilis.
Paano ba gumagana yung ganyan? Yung may bike siya, tol. Ano pinipindot dyan?
Very nice. That's like some
Pipindutin nyo lang,
minigame
gag.
right there.
Saan? Saan? Anong spell yan?
Di ba, hindi yan
Pagka
natin-
nakakapatay eh. Pag tatlo yung gabi, yung
Okay.
tunic, yung may plus HP.
Oh,
Tas
paano
isang
nakuha yung
bike.
mga
Up in time to fight for the torment
Pag
through there.
nakaka-assist, nakakapatay or
Sharks
namamatay
have
siya.
played this game for
Okay.
both sides.
Okay lang.
Random yan, loss sa tatlo.
Random, tatlo, pero in order na, if ever makakuha ka na.
Ah, in
Okay.
order.
Bote dyan.
Yes, please.
Legit.
Dude, BZM died so fast. I guess right now he's...
So, snapper pa-counter nila sa snap mid.
Dude,
Ay,
come
ano,
on, look
flash.
at this.
Flash
What a
rock?
joke.
Flash,
Oo.
flash.
That's so good.
Baka kasi
I
papatayin
know
lang
this
sa
is a
likod,
Dark
no?
Carnival
Di ba
minigame
ganun?
later.
What was the first
Pato
one?
nga
What
si
was the
Circle
first
kung may
game
bayad
we
yung
had?
pusa na laruan. Kel, binayaran ka ba daw doon? Hindi naman, di ba?
That's right.
Ay, hindi naman maniwala,
Another
hindi.
unicycle now.
Wala
I'm
na.
adding to it.
Oh, yun.
Scam.
No
Support
unicycle.
Pag ganyan
lang
siguro
dito
po ka,
si
wala.
Oh, the
May
impale
support
behind.
local lang si
Brain
si Kyle
tap?
dito.
Support local
Uy,
lang.
bro.
Kasi doon wala mga shota
Reloads
yun.
Just in case.
Not so free though. Gonna hold on to it.
Diyan mo malalaman na marami na talaga kami nasiraan ni Kyle.
Yeah. That's what I wouldn't expect. I certainly don't expect that one.
Wala, ikaw. Sinabi mo sa personal yun. Gulat ako tol. Legit,
This
yun
Carl
last.
feels like a core this game for sure with how
Ano
much
yan?
XP he's
Ay,
got.
mo.
Ay,
Hindi ko matandaan eh.
Yung dati, yung
Usap
dati.
na lang tayo ulit.
Sa'yo ko dyan last.
Look at these
Anong
stacks.
dati?
Really starting to add up.
BKB na to tol.
BKB na.
Yaman,
BKB
yaman.
na yun. Oh,
Why
mayaman.
make plays when you can stack? But actually, what's really efficient about their gameplay is that they do.
Uh-oh.
Ayun na yun eh, mamamatay si Raven. Okay,
Uy,
hindi
naman
pala.
na dito eh.
Buti,
Shiba na
nandiyan
tol.
si Raven. Nandiyan si Raven yun.
But where's the rest of the team?
Patay
na
Hey,
tayo.
Upage. Wala na, laban na lang yan niya.
Ang sakit.
Ikaw
Puta,
na.
mamamatay pa yung script, no?
Parang may mali, ah.
Kasi damage.
Pinangat. Galing ni
They
Smith.
still need help and
Ano
need
ba?
to come from that Leshrac.
Ginagalingan nila
to. Patay si
Putang
33.
ina, may mali.
He's gonna get found. The
Cash
Pirates
out. Cash out
still
niya.
holding
Cash
Ahri
out,
in
puta.
place.
Kasya tayo.
Nicely.
Dar.
OG have really good
Tatlo lang.
fighting instinct.
Problema,
They're-
yung tagilid din
even game
Thunder,
you were
tol.
saying, right? Like, they can make some plays.
Nag-message si
Last
Andre
game, we
sa'yo,
were so
haha,
far behind, there
bobo.
was not much
Kumusta sa kalaban, sabi.
This time, on 3-21
Ayun, yun.
O yan na, ayoko na, ayoko na.
Dyan na.
Mamaya na ako tol, mamaya na ako tol.
Ay,
Mamaya
ay,
na ako.
ay, tulog na ako.
Dyan na, dyan na, dyan na.
You can just pick up the drow and pull her back. Get away from the wall, perhaps. Get away from the
Tulog
Ba't ka
na ako.
tumatawa? Ano meron?
Get your teammates away from
Hindi,
the
nananakatay
star.
ako eh.
Why not? It's a
Yung
really good
reveal
shot
ka,
this
di
game.
mo kami invite. Ang ina mo.
Kapal na mukha mo, putang ina mo. Sabi ka pa, invite mo
Sabihin mo
ako.
na lang,
Ano
wala
yun?
lalaki babae. Basta ko.
He's invis though.
Tuloy ba yung posta nyo, Gab?
Tuloy. Tuloy.
For the scan, does not find anything, but they will get some vision.
Gab, bumabol ako.
33
One win
Leshrac
tsaka
just
ano,
find
Gab.
him. Yeah, vacuum down into the Centaur stomp.
Ano ba, wala ko
Yan,
tayo.
Have,
Kung gulo
no
mo.
way out of this one.
Hindi, 1 win na to. 1 win na to. Nakita ko ng GPM meta.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Helm of the
Bahala ka.
Dominator, Evos.
Gulo mo
Ang
lang.
ina ko, wawa na may rider. Ang lakas
Sino ba
pa
talaga?
ng ulan.
Kasi lost
Murder
one.
pa ako. Putang ina.
He's against a
Tipan mo
dragon.
na lang ng 500, Gab.
And he's on
O sige.
par.
Hindi, paglalaroin ko sa self, gagayahin ko yung rainbet na ano.
This is the
Na,
level
pag
Facial
wala
win,
ka
yung facial win.
Paglalakad sa rin ko.
Darkseer.
Kaya yung mga panalunan mo,
Kuya, banker player.
mapapanalunan mo masaya mapupunta. Pwede ba cash out ko na lang siya? Hindi pwede.
I think that will help a
Oh,
lot.
bangka na
Needs to make
player,
sure
yeah.
that he's got the ability to deal damage. Tormentor for the side of 1W. I kind of expected this to go the way of OG.
Yandex ako
but
kinakabahan.
all
Nag-Yandex
the
ka din,
healing
Los.
from Ahri is, making
Yung
it
dalawa, itong
possible.
Yandex tsaka 1 win. Hindi ko lang sinama yung BP.
Bakit?
Feel like it should have.
Which
Hindi ko
naman
nakita
yan
hero
sila.
nun eh.
Tanga mo.
Because OG was down here earlier. I think they had control. The thing is, you do need to bring quite
Pero
a few
sobrang spec
heroes
game nito.
because
Magkaroon lang siya
Spec
ng
can
Manta,
potentially
ano,
pick somebody
Skadi.
off.
Mantai Skadi, ah.
Oo.
Plus Mortimer kisses. Yeah, it's something that if you get caught, you know, on that low ground
Saka dito
and
sa
you
lobby.
don't
One
have
win ako,
visibility,
yeah, one win.
and 1W is prepared, it's really bad.
Basta Pinoy naglalaro tol, tataya ako sa kabila.
Yun yung kagandaan sa Ilos.
Esports World Cup Dota.
When you brain sap, you
Paano
actually
ba
get so much healing
mangyayari
from the
dito?
illusions. Well, we already talked about Rubik's potential. I think it would have been worth bringing that many heroes over to safely secure it.
Malalaglog. Ito, tag... Sumali pa kayo dyan.
24
Putang ina niyo.
Rune spawns bottom, and it's gonna be
Paglaglag na din pala tong dalawa.
for the Leshrac.
Taglag na.
Zero ito lang sila pinanalo.
Wala. Andit pa na yan.
Yung inner circle, Gab?
Reconix.
Hindi. Regonix.
now on the hunt.
Wala,
May
isa
hinayang mo
isa
nga.
na lang sila. Tatanggal lang pa ata talaga. No?
Biruin mo, Gab, tinalo nila Force yan. Eh, gaano katanga si Force, di ba? Pag nakikita mo.
Oh, game.
Labo rin eh.
Wala, GG.
GG tayo, tangina
Dito feel ko ano yung OG. Makakaligtas, OG.
What do you
Sana
do
nga,
you wanna try
sana
and put
makaligtas
this
kayo.
amplified damage to use, or do you wanna try and finish
Patalo
it
na lang nila
Ano ba
to
to?
para may laro pa
Flash
sila
is
bukas.
very close
Diba?
to a
Ah.
BKB.
Bukas ba yung tiebreaker? Check nga natin.
Bukas yan. baka ngayon.
Ayan, maganda. Mabisa, mabisa.
Check ko ngayon, check ko ngayon.
You could get Blink too on the.
Bukas yun.
Yeah,
I mean,
Blink
Kasi
on
di
the-
naman talaga tiebreaker yun,
Not
Los eh.
that far either.
Like
So,
laro talaga
see
nila yun, di pa sila
full
naglalaban
odds.
eh, BPOG.
Triple BKB.
Ay, di pa ba sila naglalaban? Okay.
Oh.
Kala ko
Time
naglaban na
for
sila.
OG. If you can win a fight, get Roche, or get Roche, go
Sa akin yung
Wala
gab.
din talaga.
Sa
So,
akin yun, sa akin.
baka may ganong
This
ano,
is twice
pag
this ward
natusi,
sentry combo in that bottom lane has revealed
Bahala ka,
a
Los.
1W movement.
Los, ewan ko sa Ilos.
And they keep putting
yung
sentries
depende
down there
sa
to
team
block
na
the
nakakalaban
ward.
nyo,
Oh, yeah,
tas
there's
nakalaban ng
Raven there,
kalaban.
but the
Alam mo
Warriors
yun,
just
Los,
barely
nagigets
missed
mo ba?
both times.
Mahirap magets yung mga ganong
They
gab
have
eh.
a really
Usually,
good-
Pero
organized
alam
yung
mo
pinapano.
yung minimum.
Alam, may ganun yun.
Okay.
May ganun, may ganun, may ganun.
Ayun, yun.
And they're
possibly drawing a line to say, let's go into that.
no, they are.
Yes.
I mean, maybe they're gonna come to the
Aba,
Twin
ako
Gates
sa game
bottom,
na
and they're looking
Oh,
for
tangay
Pure.
na, patay si
Flash
Pure.
with the amplified damage room
Patay
would be
si
the one who
Puroy.
has to
Ay, di
start.
makakaano siya kay Bane eh.
The
His team
tower
Ay,
is
madudong
from the
siya.
back.
Hindi, baited
Ah,
ata,
siguro
tulos.
siya.
May buyback to.
Oo,
May buyback ba siya? May buyback?
Oo.
Wala,
wala, wala. Baited,
Baited to love you. Baited to
Bakit?
love you.
Bakit?
Wala.
Grabe ka, BCM.
Patay yung bait, patay yung bait, patay yung bait.
Pero patay si Skem.
Okay.
Pero kaya pa yata wala ng BKB.
Wala na
Wala
Kaya
ng
pa.
damage, wala na silang damage.
Walang damage naman. Okay.
Hindi, may heal pa yung Kotol eh.
Sino ba?
Asan si
Sino ba?
Spec? Walang...
Wow!
Wala mga BKB, wala mga BKB.
Holy fuck!
May heal pa yung Kotol.
Nakuha yung wall,
Laban
nakuha
lang
yung
ko,
wall.
may heal yung Kotol.
Teka, nakuha yung wall.
Ba't kasi ayaw ako i-search nito?
Tong ino mo, 33 dog niya sa akin dati. Ay, mga silios na maghihal.
Ang pangit ang item na ito, sobra.
Pangit. Dapat ano siya eh. Ano? Silver Edge?
SB? Oo, SB.
The way
Type shape,
they
type
entered
shape.
the fight was just a little slow. This was the downside of the Leshrac, not
Mukhang
Nagbigay
mahirap
vision,
yung
no?
ginagawa mo,
so they
33
saw
ah.
their target. They really
Ayun
wanted the
ako.
Spectre, but everyone's trying to get
Madali
there.
lang
They
yun.
just
Baka
don't
kay
have
Lakay,
the
mahirap.
stun to
Mga
stun
ano.
her.
Cheesecake.
Well,
So
mainit
they
talaga
just
sa
Seven
iyo.
pa ako,
Pero,
seven
putang
pa ako.
ina niya, no?
silence and then haunt away.
Bakit ka nga lagi na nadamay ka?
Crowd control, he just couldn't get close enough fast there.
Ganito
Multo kayo.
yun.
Enough.
Putang ina to.
Yeah, I think the Doom coming
Dat
out
inatrasan
on-
mo
Mana
kahapon
lang
yun.
naman yung ano.
Tinatras.
100 miles.
Yeah.
Rider Miles.
She was, I mean, let's be real. The Lurac was right on top of her, so I feel
Putang ina
like,
si Puroy. Uy, buti mo.
Wala,
Puroy,
easy
that's
lang.
nice.
Puro yan eh.
Galing ni Puroy.
but
Ay, si BCM na naman.
just gonna
Ang
leave
hirap
it
ka.
to BKB and run.
Yung tinulak.
White Bond,
Tulak.
nice
Gogsti.
speed.
Diyan sa
Gago.
Managed to hold the
Gogsti.
lead.
Ginagawa
Ay,
niyo.
ba't ka marapit? Ba't ka marapit?
Sumi walks right
Okay.
into the Wheel of Wonder.
Ano ginagawa niyo?
Ano ba kinakabahan ako sa laro to? Ayan o, vacuum walls!
Who's he gonna go for?
Vacuum wall.
Never mind, Cookie
Wala
just
palang
pushes
wall.
Bakit?
the
Yung magmamani.
Patay si...
Teka lang, teka lang.
Teka lang, ano ba nangyari?
BCM.
Parang basta agad.
Patay yung Yopage,
Ano
nagwawala.
Oh, yung
Cash
GG
out,
books.
Cash out.
Ba't tayo lumaban dun?
Nice one, OG. Di, OG tayo. Baliw. Tanggap na lang tayo sa mga Pinoy. Let's go, OG.
Nice one, OG.
OG.
Go,
OG. OG.
OG.
Mabasin tayo ng mga Pinoy pag kinontra natin, OG. Baliw. OG. 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 Buti na lang, nag-prason ako, OG, tol.
Tol, bashin na nila ako, tol. Basta yung pera ko, di matalo, tol.
Blast, OG getting a little scared to feed this to
No,
a
Doom has
keeper.
Gab, wag na, Gab.
Guys, si Palos yung one win.
Nice
Tingnan nyo. Ako, nag-sira ako.
OG.
Space made though.
Para magkano ba ka-shot na ito.
Wala na.
Tells you exactly where these
Uy,
heroes are
buti
going.
Kaya naman na ito, Japoy na to.
Gago, game na yung
Kapwa
Spain,
Pinoy
Belgium.
ayaw suportahan, XD latang bitter ayaw mangatan ng kapwa Pinoy.
Ouch!
I don't think so, man.
O, ganun talaga, tol.
Outs, outs.
Okay, the
Pinoy ka rin naman eh. Ganyan din ugali mo.
BKB
Ouch.
pretty quickly. This was a nice fear,
Kakainitan tol ah.
but they were still down some
Sila
ultimates
Chalas,
from the
sila
last
Los.
fight. Otherwise, that was a really nice combo potential there.
I can't believe Scam just like walks in like that and does not manage to die.
Right, here's Nazi
Kaya
straight in the
tayong
middle of the
palok,
fight, which is
no?
not
Ang magaganda
usually
na
where
eh.
Drow wants to be, but because so many abilities are still on cooldown, he felt safe.
Wala
enough
ring
to
wall
do
eh.
so, repositions
Hindi ko rin alam ba talaga tayo naglaban dun
And
eh.
at that point,
Yeah.
Spectre was actually on their own, so you're able to all turn
Nice
it on,
cash out na lang siguro, di
get
ba?
the kill.
Nice cash out, nice cash
Good
out.
cash out. Good
Really,
cash
Ay,
out.
daw nga
really
PS.
good targeting.
Kung na kung kina-shout ko kaya yun loss nung 1-0 na, no? Kung ano kaya
Ayun na.
yun.
Uy,
Uy,
gago.
Asens.
33.
Okay, Boss
That
J.
is out.
Wait,
I
Boss
mean,
J.
That to me is an error because you can just have your Bane lead the charge with.
Go
Bane
yan,
night
Boss
vision,
J.
Go
and
yan.
then you got
Loss,
him.
baliw.
Go mo lang.
Like,
Huwag
that
ka lang
should be
mag-
Go mo lang,
okay.
tol.
He's got Fiend's Grip. He should
Hindi
be
mo
the
nga
one leading it.
pinag-isipan ng ano eh.
God.
Sa puso ko'y lagi.
I won that last team fight, but weren't able to get Roche, so they do have a slight goal lead of 5k.
Kahit
What
merong
about this Spectre?
Patay
Ano
si
nakakatawa
Spec,
yan?
Slowed
loss.
down, 4,000 less gold. than
Bukan
now.
nyo, wait lang, may
Si
tiyataya lang ako.
BCM, tol.
Getting there. We're at
BCM.
30
Okay, obs,
minutes.
obs.
Getting a little nervous.
Patay
I've seen a lot of
tayo, tol.
Spectre games. There's a
Uy.
reason this hero's quite good versus Drow.
Patay
Uy,
tayo.
boss niya,
Patay.
may naka-BCM kanina ka pa. Nice, may naka... Hindi, pinay tayo, pinay tayo. OG tayo.
OG, OG tayo. Let's go,
Let's
OG. Let's go, OG.
Ito ba yung cash out?
OG on top.
Tignan mo, Boss J.
Ano ba yung cash out?
Kano ba cash out ko para OG talaga
Ah,
ako
okay.
chichir po.
Ano? Yun nga.
The idea is good
Cash out
though.
is not
See if you can catch
available
anybody rushing
nakalagay
over to
eh.
help BZM.
Yeah.
Sabi yan.
Ay,
Patay
Punit
tayo.
ang
Yeah, top.
Boss J, check mo, Boss J. Kung go pa. Lumit sobra.
The ability to play for Roshan.
I keep saying that, but
Stick pa ako, tagal na
It
ito.
leads into another.
Ba't ganun yung cash out? 123 loss.
Patay si Japoy, Gab.
Okay, yan, namatay si Japoy.
quickly
Oh,
cleaned
ba't
up.
namatay ka po eh?
Beautiful
Uy,
start.
bakit?
Kaiden. Sa City Hall yan.
Basta ka, no? Finger heart.
33 seconds without him. Look at
Diyan
the
po,
recovery.
eh.
Mark
Bakit?
happy to sacrifice himself for that
Oh,
Ano
one.
ginawa to, boy?
Teka, check natin yung mga
Nagko-close,
bata
boss
natin
Jay,
sa
di
kabila.
gumataya.
So yung BP, sure 2-0 na to.
Sure 2-0 na yan, Boss Gab.
Yandex, wala. Yandex lamang na lamang.
Yandex na talaga, Yandex talaga.
Yandex.
Bad
talaga.
cash out talaga, sir.
Bad cash out.
23,
Joseph?
pero tawag sa akin.
Oh,
Guardian.
Dapat tinulog mo na lang eh.
Gulat si Jeline nun, sip, no? Pakitaan mo siya 1M no, no?
May 1M sana
Sorry.
pagdilat.
Sayang kasi. Gusto mo gulatin?
Gaba na yung
Babae.
parlay mo sa World Cup.
Kaya yan,
guys.
kaya yan.
Oh, he's
It's
going
either-
green Ags.
Kaya.
it looks
Puta,
like.
Okay,
yun
mga
lang
babae
yan.
ka na lang para magulat din, di ba?
Hindi, si Joby na. Ano pa
Spain,
yun?
di ba, Gab?
Yeah.
Spain.
Lots more
Spain
heat
without
as
S.
Spain with a test.
Sakit
Equals
ng Gab.
Spain.
well. Mhm.
Spain tapos
Tang ina talaga kayo.
sa Norway, England, Gab, saan ka? BBTS?
BTTS.
BTTS pala.
Kung gusto mo yolo, mag-Norway ka, Los.
Yeah, I think their biggest issue.
It's either Norway, ano lang ako, BTTS.
Tapos sa Argentina, Switzerland. Argentina, Gab.
Malamang, good yun, tol.
Malamang,
Tang ina, pinagsamang libro.
Boss Jay,
sa
sinaya ka na,
Gio.
Boss Jay.
Tong
ina mo.
Lionel yun.
2-0 na nagtrito pa eh. May edad na yan.
Yan nga.
Nagko-close, Boss Jay. Wait lang ha.
Sipin mo, 13 minutes ng comeback sila, Los.
And that is a
Hindi.
huge pickup.
Diba?
Yan ang gagawaan.
Ina mo ka.
It's very late first Roche at this
Noo mo
point.
parang
Naka-SB na pala talaga si Etes.
It's not easy for 1W to do, so I understand why they haven't done it.
Isa ka lang. ayaw mo.
OG just hasn't been able to find the kills
Ah,
to make
puso
them
ko'y
comfortable.
nag-iisa.
Nag-single,
Can you get rid of this top
pinigilan
tier
mo
one
na
tower?
meron. Go ka ng go.
Inang ina mo. Gusto mo may challenge?
They could consider Tormentor since it
Extra
is
challenge!
Naginig
ka nag-iisa.
Extra spin.
Cash out ka na ba? Hindi. Laban to, tol. Ano cash out?
Tama yan.
They might want to play for Roche.
Nakina nyo,
Let's
talo
just,
kung
like,
talo
position
to.
for Tormentor.
Sana di na ako
Boss Jay,
tumaya.
wait lang,
Kung cash out
nag-close
lang
close.
din.
Kaya nga.
Kanina,
Gulo nyo, ah.
pang cash out talaga yung kanina.
Meron na dyan, Kaiden.
Ang daming leg
Eye
na.
of Scotty is
Sobra eh.
completed.
I mean, they're
Pasa
still
mo
not
yung
hitting
CB,
the-
CG.
They're too scared. They don't see enough heroes.
Si Bino, may sinayo ko ito yung mga route na ikaw. Anyari sa'yo?
Oo, si Ebi.
Are they close?
May,
Nangyari.
di ba may problema ka pa na di mo nalulutas eh sa'yo.
And I am worried that
Baka yung
Tama
ano yan,
mali sa'yo,
Dory.
Ray.
too defensive. Because you have like BKB Manta
Sabi
Wala na
na
si Seb.
maging
queuing up the
bumalik na kamalik
Satanic. It's like
Thank
I
you,
would just
Gab.
want
Ebi,
to see
sana
more
magbago ka na
Kinakay.
stay what you are.
Putang ina.
There is a lot of damage from the Leshrac and the Doom. I'm kind of with you where I think the Drow could afford more damage.
Yun naman yung late game.
Oh,
Radiant
sorry.
ata
I
pag
get
late
it,
game.
right? Like it's so hard to not get jumped by
Okta rin
Spectre.
niya.
Yeah.
No
And
bias
it's gonna
yan.
put a target on your back.
No
with
bias,
the
no
Darkseer
bias.
And the Snapfire
Bias.
to be looking at you with the ults. I can't really blame him for going the
Kaya namin mismo
Satanic.
na si Sebi, legit.
And it's been a bit
Legit,
since
yung
I've
dating
seen the
Sebi,
Leshrac,
yung
so
hindi
maybe
pa
he
nag-open
does
ng
have
dowry.
to make up the difference.
Yun ang isa.
And there's second Tormentor.
This
They're
time for
probably just
Ari.
as surprised, like, where are these guys? Well, they're smoking bottom.
Bumuli kayo ng puta.
We'll see if they can actually find
Gagawa ka
anything,
ng
though.
gano'n.
Laban na, unreleased me, laban na unreleased me.
Ina.
Does manage to get the
Patay si
play
Teo.
on
Patay.
with the surge.
30.
Eh, boy.
A little
Boy,
bit
boy.
more.
Paano nabuhay yan?
Does
Paano
get back
mabubuhay?
Tang inang
Hindi,
sa...
patay nga.
Out
Nice
of
one,
everyone
OG.
else. Raven, however,
Bakit? Hindi natin kaya
manages to
yan.
dodge the Wheel of Wonder. That's a
Wala.
really nice find. They've got a run now on 1W. The blinks after him. It was a great force.
Wala,
step
sir.
there from
Huli
the
ka?
Snapfire.
Yeah,
Manta
yeah.
dodge. Idolo.
Patay siya.
Patay
Ay.
ka. Putang
Patay
ina.
ka. Nice one, OG.
Cash out.
Ayun, OG ka
Asan
lang.
OG?
OG,
Bakit
OG.
yun ba yung ano natin niya?
May pa si Ari.
They
Wala.
tried their best
Nagasa.
to save him, but they can't.
Nagasa
Fear
na.
comes through.
Sige,
BCM
BTP out na.
pulled
Wala
back,
siyang
stolen
TP.
Mortimer
Pinaligo,
Kessler trying to chase
Ayan na,
after.
sure win na tayo dito.
Takedown
Nice one, OG.
Yun na.
all alone.
Nice one,
Nasaan
OG.
OG? Nasaan OG?
Team
Wipe.
Mabuti nag-crossword ako sa OG.
Team Wipe. Tang ina kinakabahan na yung mga nakatusi.
Kinakabahan na ako. Fuck!
OG just outplayed him
Nasaan OG?
across
May
the
cash
map.
out ba?
Ito ang Boss Jay, ayaw talaga eh.
Ah, nakinaaya ng boy.
So pag nanalo sila dito, laglag BP.
Like it felt
Nalos,
wasted,
hindi na
right, when they
nagmamatter
went
yung
down there.
bukas.
Sabi mo may laro pa sila, hindi pa, may laro pa sila eh. Pag na 2-0 sila ng BP.
the Ringmaster ult whiffed,
Bulumulos.
and that just gave
Ay, kala ko wala nang laro.
Kahit nga ma-2-0 sila, di naman sila same score, di ba? Sabi mo.
Go kill them. They cannot stop us.
Hindi, akala daw niya wala nang laro bukas.
Full
Okay.
Team White. Finally, the first Roach, they can go for it with confidence.
Okay
Ayun
na,
lang.
Los. Tama ba, Los?
Ayun, Los. Ayun, Los.
Mas gabuan mid.
You
Ay,
might actually
maninisi
push
ka.
high ground
Putang
with this
ina mo.
first one.
Kaya sa lahat ng sugal, matalo ka.
Glacier.
Putang ina mo.
Ay, Chokoy.
Hard on the Drow Ranger if you want to go high
Lubog
ground.
na natin yung buhay mo. Maninisi ka.
Makes it a little bit more
Hindi, sige, oo nga.
Turks here. Vacuum you off there with the wall.
Ayaw talaga, boss.
Taka na nag-huli na ata.
It is
Dahil
the
di
same
tama
May
niya,
buo.
ilubog na
Ay,
natin yan.
gumana.
'Cause you don't
May
have
mura
to
pa eh, no?
flash
Ang
this
ina mo,
shotgun
Boss Gab.
and just use Edict on the towers. It needs to be the Drow.
I think that last fight showed they do have
Oh, they got vision going on. They know he's up here. They know Ari's here as well. They need to dodge out this gank, but
Dun, dun, dun,
he's
Isipin ko nga
looking
yung
for
ano.
him. That bonus night vision just
Pag-
puts
pag-
him to
gago ko,
sleep.
Smith pala yun
Pero
yun.
tang ina nakaisa sila sa bawal min, no? Ibig sabihin, may tira na talaga OG ngayon ulit.
Natsumi's bottom here. He's
Oh,
got
patay ito.
33.
Tayo,
This
chika,
bra.
Surge has
Kumbaga,
been
parang
finding
ano ulit sila yung OG
kill
dati.
after kill.
Na nanlalabat talaga. Sa lahat ng
And
team.
he's dead for 70 seconds without buyback. This is the best chance you're gonna have at
Natsumi
cracking that
nim.
high ground.
Hello,
so
Kaiden.
much of this game
Hello,
where
Kaiden.
Nemo has
Not
had
so
Yung OG
mid.
na puro ano, top 4 ba yan?
But
Top 6,
in
top
three.
4.
key moments,
Top
slipping
six.
through with the silver edge.
Bago patay
Ay,
sa
Tapang ito mga to.
Should be
Wow,
okay.
force stop.
great force. Yo,
Pag mamamatay sila dito, ba't ang
Sino
tapang
mamatay?
nila?
Si Smith?
down this Rubik. Mortimer Kisses doing
Come
his
on,
best.
come on.
Baka dagger out.
Steals by
Dagger out.
time. Gets
Shish.
the blink
Batang
out.
basa.
Tims wants to go on the
Bata pa
offensive 'cause
Zoom.
he's
Putang
got
ina
the
mo.
Tayo dyan.
here.
Ganda.
Bago orgo mo na eh.
Gago, Ori, Bindon talaga.
He's like, get out of here,
Ay,
buddy.
Raven Durant.
I'm going back to
Raven
base.
Durant.
Type shit, type shit.
Bottom being siege this entire time. Drow's almost done
So,
with
may
the first
binabasag lang
tower.
na ito.
Good cash out.
This is the first lane of Bear.
Good
cash out, good cash
out,
They want to keep going.
Cash out. Yup.
The full scythe
Oh,
dies on the
no.
courier.
I mean, this is still a good situation.
May
but that
repa.
scythe could possibly have helped
Aksidente si Repa.
get two
Bago
bears,
mamatay
like,
si
get
Repa.
us
Parlay.
to the rest.
Tago sa Repa, tol.
Si Repa na aksidente to.
Si Repa.
Bilis lang pala na cooldown ng second spell. eh.
Tawagan ko na
Tawag na si Repa.
But they should
Tang
still
inang
be
Repa yun,
able to
aksidente tol.
After Hellaway game
Nabangga.
one way,
Guys, sa mga napagkasal
Di ba, di ba?
kanina, congrats sa
they're
inyo,
actually
tol.
pushed out.
W sa
Congrats.
inyo guys. W.
Salamat sa inyo guys.
Oh, man.
Maybe just push mid tier 2.
Ang ina, nakahabol ako ka.
Or don't risk it.
Nagkano ka, OG ka?
W sa
Oh.
Sebi.
Up in 3
Nice,
seconds.
1-7.
Ano at Sebi?
Times 4.
Ay, Parley ni boss ko talo, no? Oo nga, talo Parley mo, boss ko.
Talo parlay niya.
Ari.
Ah, 2-0 siya dito?
Naka-2-0 sa 1 win. Matik na kay boss ko yan. Antayin eh. Uy, vacuum wall!
Long.
Kaya pangit,
Papi
pangit.
Kilo.
Suspect.
Huwag ka dadaan dyan. Etet, huwag ka dadaan dyan. Tangina ka.
Tries to find 33, can't do it. Will settle for that melee barracks.
Sinapak.
Sinuntok.
The normal punch they do. They get the Aegis. Yo,
Yo, bitch.
Jokoy, Jokoy.
trying to live. It's gonna be close.
Naman na.
He barely
Sayang lang.
survives.
Patay yata siya.
Mortimer Kiss
Di
is
naman,
now
di naman.
radiant.
Di naman, di naman, di
Whitemon
naman.
doing his best, but Scam with a nice nightmare.
Babalik pa si Smith, oh. Kukunin niya. Nakuha niya nga.
Nakuha
Oo,
niya.
niya, di kasi
This
ginigis.
is gonna protect him. He gets the blink out. He's actually okay. They need to be careful on the side of 1W. There's not much left. Here come the Mortimer Kisses,
Asan na?
but they're back in the
Ayun,
fountain.
It's been
Hoping
raining in
the blink from
Manila.
downtown.
Yun.
If only
Wala.
he had a scythe, they might
If
have just had the
only.
game-winning fight right
Buti
there.
yung mabal ka, Los.
Disiplinado.
Instead, they're gonna take their
Kaya ako
prize,
natalo
they're
pa yung
gonna
habol
reset.
ko.
This is still very good for OG.
Ang
right?
ini mga nagrepa.
Kumabol ka na sa mga.
Aksidente yung mga nagrepa.
Oh, si Repa, tawagin mo.
Si Repa.
Si Repa.
Wala aksidente si Repa tol.
Kumabol ka lang sa mga.
Ang ina ito lang yung aksidente. On W.
Wala, panalo mo na lang yung Spain ko, ya.
Spain, let's go.
Wait out road.
Gago, start na pala Gabo.
That'd be the very
Start na.
disciplined
Kanina
way
pa.
for OG to go
Busy.
about
Kasi
it.
nasabi
Sure,
na
yeah.
fake
Kaya
yan
na,
mamaya.
Spectre, who's
May
gonna be
90
Meron sa
minutes
YouTube.
pa.
still
Los.
instantly join a fight.
YouTube.
Alep.
Live mo na lang
Army.
kaya, para may silbi kang puta ka.
And then
Oh,
look for
nudo
that
ko, G.
Spectre pick off when
Nangina
she's
mo
trying to
Oh, sige, live ko
push
pa rin
out
sa Discord.
bottom, for example.
Screen 2.
Okay, go.
And here will come the Aghanim
Screen
Scepter
okay.
for Drow.
Makikinood ako dyan.
Full
Ano
Axe
ba?
Synth, actually, not even just the Aghanim Scepter, so
Screen 2.
plenty of money to spare.
Anong kulay ng Spain pula?
Type shit.
Yes.
It's going to be a while for the next
Okay.
Roshan, but I think OG are strong enough to close this one out. They just need to find the pick, and you've got the heroes for it, right? Bane, so good. You've
Layo
got
nung
level
pasa.
25 on all 3 of your cores.
Bobo pumasa ang puto.
Wala kayo na-cash out. Tinuro ako na paano mag-cash out kanina. Hindi pa kayo sumabay.
Ano ba?
Bobo talaga kayo, tol.
Paulit-ulit tayo
Yan.
dito mga students.
They know ours there. They,
Ewan ko
they
sa'yo.
We're
want
gonna have
him so
detection
bad.
here though.
Ang ina nyo.
Is he still carrying a gem?
The real Spectre,
Ikaw,
but we'll find
limit
him
weights.
eventually.
Legit, legit.
Nakakaano
Hindi
si
mo mamatay.
Gago, patay si Etit.
Naglalaban.
Patay na si Etit, baliw. Ano may lalabon?
Okay, okay.
Gago ba sila? Ba sila?
Ah, tangin na nyo, OG, huwag nyo ito-throw to. Magtatampo ko.
Sabi finger
Oji,
heart.
wag!
Finger heart, to.
Putang ina mo, OG, ginagawa nyo pag natalo kayo dito, nakakatampo to kayo, legit.
Legit lang. Kahit ako.
Legit lang.
May vacuum ha, Sir Smith.
Yung.
Running out of mana.
Uy, ingat sa vacuum ha.
Gago, nagwawala si Jaboy. Nagwawala si Jaboy, tol.
Wow, OG talaga. OG talaga.
Ang ina ba yung pinanalo yan? Bago muntik na makaspoon. Sayang, Spade.
Tips
Okay,
to
sa Spain
Doom,
tayo, balik
the
tayo sa
AoE
Spain.
Doom just running between the two key targets.
Glitter ni Jaboy, nakasay na kayo, putang ina nyo.
Ikinan nyo, kanina pa kayo.
Kanina, 18-3 tol, 18-3 si Jaboy.
Dinig mo.
Nilabas na.
Yun nga.
Isulap.
Ulit mo, Los, ha?
Bakit ako?
Ganun
Mga
ba?
hater ah.
Sorry,
I know.
Edict up is in 5 seconds. It will take the whole lane of Rax.
They do have Fortify. Okay, the Spectre buyback to dissuade Yopaj, and he's so low. Maybe if they hex?
No, he's
Hindi ka
gonna
baka
gold.
na-injan niya?
He's
Patay
gonna
kaya?
gold.
Patay siya, patay siya, patay siya.
Uy!
Okay, you missed the
Ay, ay, ay.
Well,
Nagkakaroon
Ay,
din
pusi!
Ano yun eh?
Did it
Ay,
somehow
nilo.
break his blink?
Hindi na good.
Wala pa siyang blink?
Guessing something did.
Cancel na, cancel lang
Either
wanta.
way, here comes
Cancel
Edict.
ng
They'll have to
cancel.
fortify this.
Cancel.
Basag, 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 basag.
Si Bagaruda.
Zam, afraid to blink in. I do not blame him.
I'm scared.
May ganyan
Now
na.
up in 5 more
Ay,
seconds.
ganyan.
Ganyan na. May ganyan na.
At least get one barracks here, you'd be a lot
Kahit
happier.
kaya mo sa Evi.
20.
Score yan ha.
Doom is not the
Mga
best.
masarap.
Just pick one,
Sabi na
Doom.
nakakita
Sarap.
sa amin. Tang
He's like,
ina ko,
"I'll get one
napapansin ko na.
eventually." Doom
Hindi,
now on cooldown,
hinihintay ko lang
so
lumamang.
very scary to try and
Wala
turn
sa'yo.
into
Pagka
this
foul
fight.
dito, Gab, pagka kunyari na foul.
Giving
Ayun na.
Kick or hindi?
right into the
Free
enemy
kick.
base. A great
Pag nasa
escape
loob
as
ng
they
box,
try to get the
penalty.
BZM 2 hero stun. It doesn't matter, they've lost the racks,
Free
but
throw
they
yan,
need
free
to get
throw.
out. Natsumi is low.
Uy.
The Tame the Beast into the
Keep
Wheel
the
of
time.
Thunder. They've got the Rubik, but can they kill him?
Bigyan
They
na yan.
will.
Sumuko.
95
Wala, bigyan na yan.
seconds on the sideline. A 4v5 opportunity.
Yolo na yata na itong Radiant, ah.
Gago, lang bahay ba yung ano? Rubik.
Walang BKB yung draw, no? Yolo na na itong Rod.
I kind of like
They
that.
might do
That's the
something
OG
crazy.
boldness to just run in and go for
Tang,
it.
ano, sakit
na lang
ng ulo.
ulang.
That was
Gago panalo
also
na BP
really
ah.
risky, and
Kanjo.
let's see what 1W can get out of it. They're looking for more. Roche is
Di ba?
fortunately not up yet, but if it's an instant spawn, Rubik will not be up for
Iba pa
this.
yan. For sure win eh.
Level
Grab naman
25
tayo.
on the Spectre.
Malabo
Pretty
yan.
powerful talent. It's not one of the most like impactful talents, but it is a nice one to have.
OG knows they gotta not bleed more kills. They're just hiding in the base together.
Ano yan?
They
Player
have to
nila
look
yan?
For a long Roche spawn.
Player namin yan.
40 is enough. That's
It's
enough.
It is enough, yeah.
OG's looking very good here, but it only takes one or
Ang
two
hindi ko pala
fights,
napapansin,
and
nagle-live
at
si
this
ano,
point, the entire goal
Cox
lead
Dota.
shift.
98% win.
Wala,
power.
leg
So,
tama
I
uli
tend
nun
to
pag ano.
agree here.
Tulong.com eh.
They are
Tulong.com.ph.
Hmm.
It's gonna have to be perfect
Meron mo siyang hawak na pera, di ba?
Wala,
Wala, patay si 33. 33 Savage.
Dive back na siya, 33, dive back.
Ay, din si... Ano?
Ano, paano yung glimmer yan, tol? Paano?
Hello?
Wala, sure win.
Jaboy.
Wala na. Sure na, sure na, sure na.
Wala na, wala na.
BCM,
damage
parang ano,
ng Rod. Oo.
palapa na si BCM tol eh.
Parang pepperoni yun, ah.
Uy, nabuhay pa?
Nabuhay pa?
Pagtapan.
Yes.
Gago na siya baby, buti di nakita.
Ain't no way na matatalo tayo dito sa pagkabuhay ng tol, ah.
Scam running forward will not
Labo yan,
find
labo
them.
yan.
Everybody's out.
Great disengage there for 1W, but
Ang ina na,
OG
oh,
has the
ginalingan
advantage.
bigla.
Roche just respawned.
I haven't scouted it, and it's way down there.
Magkano yung nabal mo, Los?
Surely you go, right? There's no way you put it
15.
for more.
Patay tayo.
I see a line drawn. They're looking for kills. I feel like it's
Nick.
Roche.
Leg amat.
Naliagan yung mga nagrepa.
Also, what's it do
Naliagan
about
sila
it? There's
repa.
no buyback available.
Mga
Let's go.
repa-repa.
Putang ina.
That is a good question. I don't know.
Yun ako, hindi
Lipat.
nuro.
Uwian kami, putang ina, uwian yan.
They're really close.
Sa solar din
Panalo.
magkikita.
Drums in.
Panalo na yung Antex tsaka
Once
BP.
again, scouting. She actually
Bali,
got
OG lang mali mo,
their
no, Gab?
sentry, so they know that this is happening. He's trying desperately to find him.
They scanned. I think it might have hit. They know to look. They're running forward.
Ah,
They
bul
actually
nila
catch it,
gago.
though.
I mean, they know. Up
Kahit parang
onto the
one win
high ground.
draw ko,
Olafsson
nulos, no?
making it
Maganda
time.
siguro
He
yun,
knows
no?
he's here, but
Yung ads
Hindi
mo.
pala
right through the
pwede.
twin gate.
Tayo
He's
siya,
gonna try to
gago.
follow.
A 5-minute
Nahabol siya, ya.
instant kill.
Para ano, tol?
This is
Yan eh,
gonna
Prosaro.
be a chase.
Wala pa rin siya TV.
Parang horror game.
Could end the game if they can actually.
Wala
Siya
pa
na
rin
naglalaro
siya.
ng horror.
Ay, magka-tape.
Ay, meron.
Trying to do
Ay,
so,
meron.
but he is TP'd back to the base and he is out. They
Di ba may
made
ganun,
Tangina,
Los?
parang-
One win, no draw?
time for the Dark
No?
Circle.
Para-
Ilan odds nun?
One win na, ano?
One win or draw?
If one
Double
manages
chance.
to
Wala,
get
maliit lang
Rose,
yata
they
yung Gab.
effectively buy themselves
Gago,
10
draw?
minutes of time with safe play.
Hindi, one win on draw sabi mo,
At
di ba?
that point,
Mm-mm.
we're into the Wild West.
Malaki yun,
of
gago.
Dota,
Double chance ba yan?
where The gold lead starts to
Yung double chance
pretty
yung
much
sinasabi mo,
mean
di ba?
nothing, and it's just about who finds who.
Ay, maliit na.
That's something Spectre
1.0
is
po.
really good at. So OG really needs to put some emphasis on
Oh,
this
double
Roche.
chance.
Grab it, close it out. There's only one more barracks. 1W is down. So many buybacks. Any pick off, you've got this. And I
Hindi,
don't
buti
mean to
nag-plus
spoil
one
other
OG ako,
streams,
yun na
but
lang.
If they win this,
Ay,
there's a
na.
really good shot. They
Yun
stay
yun.
in the group.
Itataya sa inyo, bobo kayo. Galing kayo.
Labo nyo rin eh.
Yun yun.
I mean, you have the buyback advantage on OG. It's just the Drow not holding it, but
Bang cash out to, panalo naman yung
if
dalawa.
positioned
Baka
correctly and
pwedeng
with
pasuyo.
the help that she has,
Balik nila yung kalahati.
she shouldn't die.
Kahit 50 lang yan, 5 balik.
Close to the level 25
Panalo
round
naman
with
yung dalawa,
Refresher.
tol, oh.
That is so much damage, especially if there's
Oh,
a vacuum
Whitemon.
wheel of wonder combo.
Patay din to si White Money.
Run, Whitemon, you are in trouble.
He knows the Roche. It's coming. Whitemon walks right into
Uy, Whitemon!
over. It's
Para
not
si
gonna
Joel,
go
oh.
well.
Trip ka ba? Putang ina mo ka?
Thought he was gonna get
Umuwi
out.
ka na nga dito. Okay
Gusto,
nga mo.
gusto agar niya Aegis niya para si Joel.
Surely, it's time to get this Aegis.
Yun na ako. Guys, si Sebi po nakapusta sa OG. Di ba masamang tao yan? Bawal manalo yan, di ba?
Nagbago.
Ah, nagbago na. Okay, si Sebi. Patay tayo, tol.
Ay, wala na
Huli.
GG na.
Wala,
Wala siyang buyback, gago, GG.
GG na, GG.
GG.
Patay din to, tol, oh.
Yung draw, yung addict pa yung nanaalam po labo talaga ng
Kaya,
buhay.
The world is unreal. Gago, solo kill, panis.
Mugo ko nagsulit.
Ulo,
Share!
Naki-redip tayo.
They should know buybacks are still down.
They can go high ground, absolutely.
Ba't yung Spain di pa na-score yan? Putang ina ng mga yan.
Hindi na yung Boker yan si ano.
Hydration break.
DCM, tsaka Embers, no?
Spain
Good
has
cash
to be
out.
the only hero going over.
May
Anong
bonus
tawag
ko
dun?
For over
Anong tawag
10
dun, Sep?
seconds for the rest of the team to
Hydration
show
break.
up and kill you.
Hydration break.
Snapfire's buyback is up.
Hydration
1 minute for the Spectre, a few seconds
Wait,
for the
hydration.
Darkseer.
Masagit yun na.
But
Kaya
without
na-sure
the
win na yan.
Spectre,
Sebi.
Sure na yan, huwag ka nakabahan.
damage is gonna come
Yeah,
from in
oo,
this
ikaw
tier
din.
3 tower.
Nakakadabahan ka
It's
pang
gone.
adik ko,
One
eh, no?
fortification left will drop
Aray
the
ko.
banner. You have to save
May
Aray ko
pulbos
po.
nila.
Ano ka po?
I don't know if he has
Adik,
the gold,
panalo
but
na yan.
30 seconds till the
Kaya
buyback
nga.
timer is up.
Thank you, Kabet.
One more
OG.
fortify, there could be a final
Panggap ka pang
1W
mabait.
coming out.
Putang
He's
labas
trying
mo
to get
tunay mo
25.
ugali.
He's got it.
Labas mo. Ayun, ba't may pulpo ka sa ilong?
They're knocking on the front door. You've got to do
Ang
something.
dikyo.
What are you
Sharingan.
gonna do? You're gonna buy back.
Ayun na, si
Lungkot
Achi.
na kukuis. Ganun talaga tol. Lahat kami haters ng OG eh. Di pala. Sila boss ko lang pala, sila boss ko.
It's all on this refresher.
Sabihan mo anay masasaktan yan, oy gago.
Natsumi is just working on the throne right now. You still have that
Aray ko
fortification. The
po.
wall goes down. Tims goes in, steals the
Ano ko
wall.
yung ul?
Good cash out, good cash out.
Talaga.
Guys.
Good cash out, good cash out.
Good cash out.
Just chewing through the throne.
Good cash out.
Where are you? Your base is dying. Raven trying to make
Kung di mo kinashot ka, baka pinagmumura mo na to mami no gab.
Good cash out. Wala, buko hindi cash out din yan. Legit.
Natsumi still alive through it all. Yo,
Still alive.
to the throne, and they have
GG.
Fortified.
There's the fort. Stolen
Ido,
mortar kisses
45.
Natsumi's
Bakit? Wala na. GG na to, tol.
Wala na.
Ano
Ulo,
yung sa
puta.
mukha?
Aegis.
Isang aganis nga lang yung Spectre, no? Aganis ni Doom. Naka-break.
1-1.
Last game na, oh. Last game na. World Cup
Let's go.
naman yan.
Let's go, OG. Let's go.